Hey Backlashers, how y'all doing? I went to Walmart earlier, was going through the clearance section. Me a little mini mystery tackle box left over from Christmas. I have not looked in this, so I don't know what's in here. Let's see. Get everything pulled out of here. Just to see. Yep, everything's out. Looks like got some banger lizards. Looks like they are 4-inch lizards here. Got some Z-Man Smoky Shad 3.75 inch. Ooh, those might actually be pretty good. Got a little Catchco sticker. And then got some Carl's Amazing Baits. What are these? These are Gator Hog 3.75 Blue Crawl. Those look pretty cool too. Some nice little soft plastic baits here. I can use this over the next little bit, so thank you. Alright, thank you everybody. That's it. Just wanted to do a quick little unboxing of a mini mystery tackle box I got on clearance. It shows that it was originally $9.98, marked down to $5.98 for bass. So anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see y'all later. Bye.